Hello viewers, welcome to the YouTube channel roshniwithhina. Today I will discuss the topic green computing. What is green computing? Green computing refers to environmentally sustainable computing. It involves designing, manufacturing, using and disposing of computers, servers and associated subsystems such as monitors in an environmentally friendly manner. Adopting green computing practices can help reduce energy consumptions, minimize e-waste, and lower greenhouse gas emissions. Why is green computing important? Green computing helps reduce energy consumptions, e-waste, and carbon footprint. Use virtual meeting, energy efficient hardware, and cloud storage. Practices for green computing use energy efficient computers and electronic devices. Reduce papers usage by printing only when necessary. Dispose of electronic waste properly and responsibly. Benefits of green computing. Green computing aims to reduce the environmental impact of computing through energy efficiency, waste reductions, and sustainable practices. This benefits both the planet and your bottom line. Energy efficient computing. Energy efficient computing reduces energy consumptions and carbon footprint. Strategies include virtualization, power management, and cloud computing. Benefits of green computing include cost saving, reduced environmental impact, and improved corporate social responsibility. Here are some key components of green computing. Energy efficient hardware. Selecting energy efficient components such as processors, power supplies, and cooling systems to reduce energy consumptions and heat generations. Virtualization. Using virtualization technologies to consolidate multiple virtual servers on a single physical server, which reduce the number of physical servers required, thus saving energy. Data center cooling, employing more efficient cooling and airflow management techniques to maintain optimal data center temperatures and reduce energy used for cooling. Renewable energy sources. Transitioning to renewable energy sources such as solar or wind power to power data centers and reduce reliance on fossil fuels. Energy efficient data storage. Implementing energy sufficient data storage solutions like solid state drives, SSDs, which consume less power and generate less heat compared to traditional hard disk drives, STDs. Thin client computing. Replacing traditional desktop computers with thin clients, which are lightweight devices that rely on a central server for processing, reducing the energy consumptions of individual workstations. Energy efficient displays. Choosing energy efficient monitors and displays with features like LED backlighting and automatic power saving modes. Power management enabling power saving features on computer and monitors such as sleep mode and hibernation to reduce energy consumptions during period of inactivity. Green software development. Developing software with a focus on energy efficiency, optimizing code, and reducing sources consumption. E-waste management. Implementing responsible disposal and recycling practices for electronic waste, including old computers and hardware components, remote work and telecommuting. Encouraging remote work and telecommuting to reduce the need for physical offices, spaces, and associated energy consumptions. Life cycle assessment, conducting a thorough lifestyle assessment to evaluate the environmental impact of hardware and software throughout their entire life cycle from production to disposal. Regulatory compliance, complying with environmental regulations and standards related to electronic waste, disposal, and energy efficiency. Thank you for listening and learning about how we can all contribute to a more sustainable future through green computing practices. Thank you for choosing Roshni with Hina channel. Kindly share, like, and subscribe.